Ricardo Souza here with Firkins again. I just want to quick show a video on this wonderful Chevy SS. It's a 2015 and has a 6.2 V8, 415 horsepower. That's the Corvette LS3 V8 engine, and it was a modified exhaust system and intake for extra 40 horsepower. That gives you a 455 horsepower on the Chevy SS. This is just a beautiful vehicle. That's the only GM car would park themselves. It has a park aid and also has sensors front and back. That also has the beautiful Alcantara inserts on the Ricardo seats. As you can see, it's just a beautiful interior. Does have a head-up display, navigation. It's just a beautiful vehicle. Sunroof. And by the way, this color they call some like hot red. So it's just beautiful car. For more information on this vehicle, please come see me here at Firkins, 941-807-9118, and you only find this vehicle at Firkins.